What if ancient myths weren't stories? What if they were eyewitness reports, written by people who didn't have science, only fear?
Across history, humans described creatures that shouldn't exist. But when scientists looked closer, they didn't find magic. They found animals seen at the wrong time, in the wrong light, by people trying to survive. These are 10 ancient myths now linked to real animals, and the last one may explain why humans instinctively fear the ocean.
A long neck, a massive body, moving silently beneath the water. Nessie sightings go back centuries. Science offers chilling explanations. Giant eels, some exceed 20 feet. Swimming deer viewed from afar. Waves creating the illusion of humps. But here's the key detail. Human brains evolved to connect moving shapes into creatures. Nessie wasn't one animal. It was many sightings fused into one legend. A towering, skeletal monster of the forests, associated with hunger, madness, cannibalism. Anthropologists discovered something disturbing. Wendigo legends spike during harsh winters, food shortages, starvation-induced psychosis. Starving humans hallucinate, grow paranoid, and behave violently. The Wendigo wasn't an external monster. It was what starvation does to the human animal.
Serpent beings worshipped across Asia. Half human, half snake. Guardians of rivers. Biology points to king cobras over 18 feet long. Extreme intelligence. Upright defensive posture. To ancient villagers, a cobra wasn't just an animal. It was something watching back. The Naga myth wasn't spiritual. It was respect born from danger.
Half woman, half bird, stealing children from villages. Greek myths blamed them. Biologists later noted, golden eagles can carry small animals. Condors have wingspans over 10 feet. Birds attack from above, silently. To ancient humans, that wasn't predation. That was something human-shaped, taking flight. A child-stealing monster of ancient Europe. Described with wide eyes, night movement, screeching cries. Scientists point towards owls, particularly barn owls. They hunt silently, have forward-facing eyes, scream like something in pain. Lamia wasn't evil. It was a nocturnal predator, misunderstood. Seahorses pulling God's chariots. Ancient sailors swore they saw them. Reality? Seahorses exist. Large sea snakes undulate like horses. Dolphins leap in rhythmic arcs. At sea, scale collapses. The hippocamp wasn't fantasy. It was motion misinterpreted. A horned rabbit of North America. Sounds absurd until biology steps in. Deer afflicted with Shope papillomavirus develop horn-like tumors. Early settlers didn't see disease. They saw a creature that shouldn't exist, and they named it a sacred Chinese beast, hooved, scaled, gentle. When giraffes were brought to China in the 15th century, officials declared them Gillen-made flesh. much known categories, so the myth absorbed reality. A sea creature mistaken for an island. Sailors landed on it. Then it sank. Biology offers massive whales, whale sharks, volcanic rafts of pumice. Early navigation was guesswork. The Aspidot cologne wasn't deception. It was scale-overwhelming perception. A gigantic black dog with glowing eyes, reported across England for centuries. Scientists note, large black dogs exist. Wolves once roamed Britain. Eyeshine reflects firelight intensely. Fear amplifies memory. The black shuck wasn't supernatural. It was a predator remembered bigger than life. Here's the truth scientists agree on. Humans didn't invent monsters. We overestimated threats, filled gaps with instinct, passed warnings as stories. Myths were survival data, not lies. So which myth do you think science will explain next? Comment below. Subscribe if you want legends exposed, not mocked. Because some myths weren't imaginary. They were early encounters with reality.